Hey, friend. I know that working in tech sales, it can be challenging to always want to need to build pipeline fast every single month to obviously hit your quota. And as one of the best ways to build pipeline fast is to reach out to close loss ops. The challenge could be is how do you write customized or personalized emails fast that's relevant to the close loss op that will re-engage them and get them back into the sales cycle and evaluating the product. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a prompt that you can put into ChatGPT. And with that, all you have to do is take the prompt, take the close loss ops from a Salesforce, Salesforce, add it to the bottom of the prompt, hit enter, and in seconds, ChatGPT will write you a very relevant, personalized email that you can send to your prospect to be able to re-engage them or add it into a outreach cadence to at least get their interest with the first email and then nurture them with emails and calls to get them back into a sales cycle. So here's the prompt you can put in ChatGPT, and do know that this prompt is quite long. So what I did is that in the notes below this video, there'll be a link. Click on that link, and basically from that point, you'll be able to copy and paste it from a Google Doc. So it says here, so this is the prompt you're telling ChatGPT. You're a top performing President's Club winning account executive working for a high growth tech company. You're writing a re-engagement email for a closed loss opportunity. I will provide closed loss op notes, any past email exchanges, any gong call transcripts or summaries available. Your job is one, identify the original buying trigger and reason the deal was lost. Infer the most likely friction or regret they might be experiencing now. Reference only what the prospect already said or experienced, no assumptions. And write a re-engagement email that's 100 words or less that feels helpful, not salesy. So now what you're going to do now is make sure that the prompt also says this, right? Do not pitch features or product updates. Do not say checking in or following up. It sucks. You know that, right? Use second person language, you language, Acknowledge prior context in 1 or 2 sentence max. Highlight a single instant or contrast, current state versus desired state, and end with a clear, low pressure, interest based call to action, not asking for the meeting. So examples for the call to action could be worth revisiting, open to pressure testing this. Does this make sense to explore this now? Interested in a quick comparison if maybe they had a competitor that they were using. You can reference to that. And would this be useful to revisit? Output only the final email body, no explanations, no subject line. Start the email saying this. Hi, first name. I am rep. I'm part of the product expert team here at my company name, your company name. Hey, I just want to pause the video for a second and share this with you before we go back to the video. I know self-sourcing your own deals and building pipeline consistently can be challenging, especially with also running your own deals, right? And I'm actually running a workshop. It's a free workshop for 30 minutes where basically I walk through the best 5 ways that a tech sales rep like yourself, AE, can self-source deals fast and efficiently with the most effective pathway forward. And in order to get access to this workshop, it's pretty simple. There's a link below this video. Click on the link. Just put your name and email in. You'll be on the list and you'll be notified. It's 30 minutes. It's on Google Meets. It's virtual. And I guarantee you'll walk with one nugget of a tactic you can use to self-source your own deals and build pipelines predictably every single month. All right, so let's go back to the video. I noticed that your company evaluated my company back at this date, and all I have to do now is take the notes from Salesforce and take the gong call transcripts, paste it below this prompt, hit enter, and that's it. So I'll walk you through how this is done. The last thing I want to share with you is a fictitious closed loss op that I created that I'm going to put below this prompt. So basically, Imagine the company is Johnson and Johnson, and the deal was lost a year ago, and the software was Salesforce. So imagine you're a Salesforce rep or they work for Salesforce, and this client declined working with Salesforce. So it has the business context. There was no trigger. It has the key stakeholders, and the reason why they didn't buy was because the budget was not approved for the current fiscal year. So we're going to take these notes, put below the prompt, and then I'll show the magic here. So let me first come in here, and here's the prompt. I'm going to copy this and put it in ChatGPT. Then I'll come over here and take the close loss op notes. Copy that. Put that in the ChatGPT. We're going to hit enter. There we go. Within less than 30 seconds, we have a customized email to write back. So it'll be like, "Hi Jim, my name is Ian, and I'm part of the product team at Salesforce. I noticed Johnson & Johnson evaluated Salesforce back in February 2025 as part of the global CRM monetization tie to forecast accuracy and report consistency. At the time, the direction felt clear, but budget approval couldn't land before fiscal lock. Curious whether forecast accuracy and cross-regional visibility are still creating manual work for your teams in FY 2026 plans as FY 26 plans take shape. Would this be worth revisiting?" And that's it. Pretty cool. All you have to do is put that in an email, fire it away, send it to all the people on the close loss op, and start getting the inbounds coming in or the responses back in. And that's it. I hope this prompt works for you. And I actually want to show you something quickly. Just it might work for you. So this is something that you can have, but I find what you can do is you can go over here and create a folder, a project, and where is it? Okay, new project. How do we do it? Okay, go new chat, and then new project. I think I made too many projects. So I'm going to undo that one. Oh, here it is. It came up again. There we go. Then we'll say close loss op emails, AI emails. So once the project is created, you can basically say, tell ChatGPT like this. You go like this. You say, "Okay, I'm going to put in a prompt into this project, and going forward, every time I add close loss op notes to this new project, I want you to use that prompt and write a customized email based on the notes that I put in the prompt. Every time I do it, just whenever I open up a new tab in this project, I'll put in the close loss op notes, and then you write the email based on that." So please prompt me back that you understand that. So going forward, it will work. And I'll put the prompt in here. Here's the prompt. And make sure ChatGPT got what I was saying. Got to understand the workflow. Going forward, every time you open a new tab in this project, I will apply the exact prompt, create the emails, output will follow this. So that's it. Now what happens is if you come in here, going forward, all you have to do is simply come in and every new close loss op you have, just put the close loss op notes, and then hit enter, and it will rewrite a new email. You don't have to keep on putting the prompt all the time. It will save you a ton of time. That's it. Hope that this video was beneficial to you. So take care. Stay blessed.